like button. Uh, but today we were doing no salary cap, so anybody could get any amount of money. And yeah, we got Blake back again, but he's not playing. He's just playing 2K. I mean, he's playing Call of Duty. Okay, dropped my phone, but we're good. All right, got a lot of files. My 2K has crashed before this, and this is the teams I got. Set up these options off. Yeah, see, 50s across the board. What are you singing? All right, we're gonna pick a random team. The Wizards. All right, all right, all right. That's good. Got Bradley Beal, John Wall. So we're gonna load in the 2020 draft class. Shout out to the guy who made this. If you guys want to pause the video right there, you can go get one of his. It's LaMelo Ball. Yeah. We're gonna go straight to free agency. I don't even care about the draft. Imagine. What did I? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, Kawhi. He has 4 offers. I'm offering something to Kawhi. I'm gonna give him max because there's no salary cap. And then offer contract. Kawhi Leonard. I'm gonna give one to Jimmy Butler. Give him what? Yeah, give one to Jimmy Butler. You know, let's see who's view offers. I'm gonna see. Oh, we're second on his list. We're second on his list. I'm gonna give one to Kemba. I don't want to lowball him. 3 years. Okay, okay, okay. Advance. All right, so we got Jimmy Butler and Kemba. Kawhi. Where'd Kawhi go? He went back to the Spurs. All right. We might need a center. We almost got Kawhi. We were second on his list. Tobias Harris has 17 offers. You know what? I'll pass. I read it. View offers. He's saying no. Well, like DeAndre Jordan. But oh no, his interest is at 100. Never mind, because I'm the only one who offered him something. Hold up. If I give DeAndre Jordan, no, if I give DeMarcus Cousins a contract and switch him to power forward, I think his overall goes up. Okay, we're fourth on his list. You know, we need to get a backup. You want a Nikola Mirotic. Man. Alright, so we got DeAndre Jordan and Nikola Mirotic. Bro, what is with players and going back to their old teams? Let me think. I mean, no salary cap. You know, might as well get a backup power forward. Give him some money. And I think that's all we're going to do in free agency for now. Oh, let's not. Actually. Alright. Now we're going to the season. He's talking about Call of Duty. We're gonna decide. We're gonna see if we can get a championship. However many years it's gonna take. Yeah, I don't care. I'll adjust it. That's the summer league. We'll leave that as is. League rotation as is. How many people are gonna get injured? Jeez. Didn't I already load in the draft class? Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. The tournament's done. It's done. I'm recording a 2K video right now. It went okay for our first time. I got them. So, look at this team. If I get access to roster. Why can I not access the roster? There we go. So we got John Wall, Jimmy Butler, Bradley Beal, Kemba Walker, and DeAndre Jordan. Is that new? You can assign people to a G League? Alright. Oh. Okay. So. He's 6'8". Okay. So, John Wall. The roster's looking pretty good. I will simulate 3 games. Oh, that's a dub. Okay. Oh, no. If I do this, what will happen? Overall goes down. What happens if I make... Hold up. I'm just experimenting right now, guys. 81? What is he originally? I don't know what's going on. Wow. Can I make him a power forward? Whoa. I think what we do, I think we make DeAndre Jordan I don't know why I keep doing that. I think we make DeAndre Jordan a power forward. And then we trade Paul Millsap. Okay, we have to wait till December 15th. Wait, can you turn that off, please? Thank you. Let's send till December 15th. Nah. Let's adjust this. Why is Kemba Walker starting? I mean, like, no, why is Kemba Walker starting? Nothing against Kemba, but when you got a 92 overall coming off the bench, we have a problem. And the 88 overall starting. Everybody's doing pretty good. He's injured. Wait, now, let's give away now 10 minutes. He needs to rest. Alright, we're gonna make it a 9-man rotation. Alright, let's simulate. Alright. We're 2-2. Now we're 2-3. If we go 2-4, I need to make some changes. Alright, we're 3-3. If we lose 5 games, I need to make changes. It's like win lose, win lose. Alright. Need to give him some rest. He's tired. I'm only gonna play players till the peak of their limit in the playoffs. Alright, Wayne. He did good. Well, I don't even know if he did good. Not if he did 27 minutes. Those minutes. Kemba. Yeah. Okay, I just did what... I just fixed it. So... No. I don't know why it just took me so long to say no. I'm getting trades. I don't want Matthew Dellavedova. Are you serious? Why is he coming off the bench? Alright, so we have a problem. I guess what we can do is have this and start Nikola Mirotic. Alright. Paul Millsap. He needs to rest. You get no minutes, my good sir. And I'll give Sam Dekker some minutes. Oh god, not 22. Alright. Alright. Alright, we're good. We'll target some players just in case we don't win this. I'll get LaMelo and James Wiseman because we need a backup center. Alright. But the only way we can probably get those guys if we don't do good. I don't know if I should have tanked this season. Nah, I'm not gonna tank. We're on a streak. No, and that streak just got broken. Leave that rotation as it is. Decline that. Okay. Now we adjust. Why is he playing my small forward? What am I doing? We don't have a very good bench. I say this might not be the right decision, but do this. Some is cold. As a 6 man, you shouldn't be getting that much minutes. I love Kemba, but I like this. I like this lineup because they can help the bench, and they're on fire. And we just took an L. Beat the Lakers. That's a good sign. Sam Scout. Yeah. Okay, and we just got clapped by the Clippers. Same team. We just beat them. All right, we're 12-9. Hold on, let me look at these standings. Okay, so I think we're the 7th seed. Yeah, we're the 7th seed. I mean, the first year, I'm not really expecting to go to a championship. No, no, I can't do it. Looks amazing, but I'm not gonna do it. It does look really good. I'm not doing that trade. No, no. I'm keeping Bradley Beal. On December 15th. Oh, we just beat the Clippers. Let's go. On December 15th, we're trading Paul Millsap. No, actually, let's look at these stats. All right. Hey, all right. Oh, he's won. He's won. All right. I think we're good. My parents are talking right now. Just ignore that. All right. See what we got for Paul Millsap. He's a center, not Zach Collins. How about I'll give you this? No, we're gonna set up our own trade. We'll give you Paul Millsap, player. Thomas Bryant. Oh, I'm trying to go small right now. LeBron value. The people on my team are not gonna match LeBron's value. Hold up, wait. Let me pull off this trade real quick. I want LaMarcus Aldridge. Hold up. Ah, wait. Give me your worst player, and they need to make up money. Hold up. I can't see my roster. Let me see. My top 2 players are John Wall and Jimmy Butler. Duncan Robinson. That's a Duncan Robinson. I don't know. And they need to make up money. So give me someone who's not very. player. We'll give you. Jesus, that's a lot of money. Y'all give me. They got a big contract. Patrick Mills. I will take out Thomas Bryant. We'll put in. Okay. They don't want this to happen. I'm gonna make it happen. Alright, guys, this trade is not happening. Let's see if we can find somebody that's a good backup power forward / center. Kevin Love. That's something I'll look at. No, he's the best player on the. Well, he's the best overall on the team. Kyrie's on the Clippers? Alright. So I think what we do here is we trade for. Alright, bye. I don't know who to trade for. Could we do this? Could be Paul Millsap. That's not gonna be it. Could be Thomas Bryant. I get back. Alright. You give me a big contract. Give me one of your worst players with a big contract. Tyreke Evans. Pick has no value. You give me. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to trade Paul Millsap. Still have a good record. We lost to the Bulls? Oh, Lauri Markkanen went off. Alright, well. Alright. Come to the rest of the season. Blew out the Raptors. Beat the 76ers by 25. Nope. Beat the Knicks. Or my parents are talking, I'm sorry. Whoa. Paul Millsap's injured. If we get a good pick, I'm sending that guy straight to potential camp. Well, if we go to the draft next season, we could win the championship. I'm not gonna get my hopes up too much. No, because we already have a lot in that position. Same thing. He's tired. Alright. We're on a streak. Okay. Okay, we're on a good streak. Now watch us lose, right what I said. Yep. Ah, jeez. Why are they doing 41 minutes? We need him to rest. I'm running a 10-man rotation. About 7 minutes a minute. Why did they keep putting Kemba Walker in my starting lineup? Oh, we lost the Celtics by 1. Alright, come on. Start another streak. Mm-hmm. Nope. Stop offering me that trade. Why can we not? Favorite. He's supposed to go 20th? Supposed to go 20th? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see his team stat. We're second. We went from 7th to 2nd. Let's go. There we go. Got the Bulls back. Nope. I did not like that trade at all. For 32 and 12. For the Wizards coming from 32 and 50. And we now have more wins now than the whole Wizards season last. Nope. Not gonna do that. Everybody wants Kemba Walker or Bradley Beal. Everybody, see, what am I like? I keep telling you. Oh no. Was even. I don't want them to be tied before the playoffs because we're making these playoffs. They keep wanting to start Kemba Walker. No, I'm gonna let it happen. I have 53 extra minutes, you know. Get some of that. What? Why not make an 11-man rotation? All right. No, I do not want to trade. I don't want to trade anybody. No, don't really care. All right. Thank you. No, no more offers. We are playing so well. I don't want to trade anybody. Oh, we just blew them out. We beat them by 52. If you guys would see my reaction right now, you know I'm disappointed. We went on a crazy streak. And who do we lose to? Come on. Oh, we're first. We're first. Let's go. The King wanted to start Kemba Walker. I'm gonna let it happen. But we got a 93 overall off the bench, you know. It's okay. Let's see these stats. Player stats. Kemba, I see why they wanted to start him now. I see why everybody wants him. Rotation as it is. Come on, we can beat the Cavs. Yeah. Easy. And we lose to the Bulls again. That's disappointing. And we beat the Bucks. I think we still have the best record in the league. Well, on the Eastern Conference. I think. Oh my gosh. No. Keep singles. How are we losing to these? I'm not gonna say not good teams, but we can beat. I don't even think they're. I think we beat good teams, and then we just lose to not the best teams. If we lose to the Knicks again, and we beat them by 4, what are we doing? If the Knicks make the playoffs and they take a couple games from us, where'd Anthony Edwards go? We keep losing by 1 or 9. $51 and 18. No, they just needed a new GM. They just needed a new GM, you know. We lost the Lakers. Yeah. What happened to Anthony Edwards? Do we have him like I don't know what happened. I don't care. Alright, let's go. We keep losing to the 76ers. Ah, they took the first spot from us. It's a 1 game difference, but still. They need to lose one and we need to win one. And we lost. Okay. We won. Can we end the season being the #1 seed? Just need the new GM. Okay, and we're going on a losing streak. Alright, we won. We're winning. Please don't lose this last game. Let's go. Jeez, those some great numbers. Rookie of the year, I don't know who that is. Dennis Schroeder, player of the year, most improved. Where's 6 man? Oh, I legit said his name. So we did not get the first seed, but we're the 2nd seed. So we will simulate the game. Well, actually, we'll just simulate the round. Whoa. They took a game from us? Yeah, make it only 1 game. Whoa. Hey! And we got eliminated. Okay, guys, let's simulate this playoffs. We were eliminated by the 7th seed. Now they're gonna win. Now the 76ers are gonna win. Oh. Yep. Uh, that's tough. Alright, so it looks like we need to make some changes. I mean, I didn't really expect to win the first championship, you know. I'm going straight to free agency. $12 offers. What? Why not offer something to Anthony Davis? Give him a max contract, 4 years. Yep. Few offers. Okay. We are 4th on his list, so I doubt that we're gonna get him. But you know, anything's possible. Give a contract to Andre Drummond. He has no other He has no other contracts, so we can lowball him a little bit. All right, so we got Andre Drummond. Yep, Anthony Davis signed with the Lakers. Don't need Mike Conley. Pascal. I'll give one to Pascal. Few offers. We are number 4. Once again. Give one to him. I keep doing that. What we can do? We can make him a power forward. And I'm pretty sure his overall goes up. We're obviously number 1. I don't know why I gave him so much money. He didn't have any other contracts. All right, so we got Andre Drummond and Montrezl Harrell. I don't think we need anybody else. Bonus. I mean, not he was a good player. He got All-Star this year. So, who do you think's gonna win the championship this year, guys? Comment down below. Hold on, guys. Let me just gotta sneeze. So,